from California.
Miri from California.
Yes, 5A.
5-8. Thank you for joining today.
Good
So very
morning.
welcome.
Good
I'm Joan
morning.
Damasco. I'm Joan Damasco from Chicago, 5A.
Joan from Chicago, 5-8. Thank you for joining today, Joanne.
Thank you.
Okay, we have 2 minutes.
Good morning, Stephanie
morning.
from Maine, 3A.
Stephanie from Maine 3. Thank you for joining today, Stephanie.
Thank you.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Oh, beautiful seat, I remember. How are you?
Yeah, and my husband and I are planning to visit New York office
Oh, really?
in
Okay,
in
I'll wait for you.
August. Yeah,
In August. Okay.
I better, yeah, just email you or call you before we
Okay.
heading. Yeah,
You live in where? East Coast?
Boston.
Boston. Okay. Thank you. Your
Looking
name
forward to
is
seeing you.
Yeah, I'm
Beautiful
looking for
seed.
Beautiful Sea. That's your name?
My
No.
name is actually it's a meaning of my name.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. That's nice.
I will share it when I see you in person.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, we have 1 minute. If you want, you can introduce yourself. We have 1 minute. Hi.
Hi, Carol. This is Marilyn Cam from Ontario.
Oh, Marilyn, how are you from Canada?
Yes,
How are you?
682. I'm pretty
682.
good.
Good.
I missed you the last time when I visited New York, but
Oh, I wasn't here, maybe.
yeah,
Yeah, I travel a lot for
I
work.
know for sure.
Thank you. Anyone else? We are going to start soon. It's 1 o'clock.
I'm Krishna from New York.
Oh,
And my rank is
Krishna
3.
from New York. I mean, New York too. I mean, Astoria, New York, Queens.
Oh, I'm in Marlboro by the
Marble.
Woodbury.
Oh, it's okay,
Woodbury.
far away from here. Thank you for joining today.
Hi,
Okay.
this is Sunita. I'm from Nepal. I'm ranking 4A.
Susumita from Nepal.
Sunita, yeah.
Thank you. Thank you for joining today. Okay, I'm going to start. Okay, please mute yourself. Okay. Hi, my name is Kaoru. I'm a New York Regional HBM Manager and East Coast Sales Director. Thank you for joining the Zoom meeting today. So I'm going to explain about Enagic Online Store. So first, you see the screen, right? Okay. I have my cell phone on the left, so I see what's going on. Okay, so you can go to enagic.com. Vivian from New York, thank you for joining today. Okay, so you can go to, everybody, please go to enagic.com, okay? And you can click here, Distributors. You see the screen, and you see the green button right here. It's DSP, Distributor Portal. And it goes to this screen, Distributor Support Portal. So you can put your ID number. Okay, that's my ID. Oh, okay, 119. Yeah, and then password. And then you can log in. If you forgot your password, you can select this button and you can reset your password. Okay, but I remember my password, so log in. And then you see the distributor support portal. Welcome, and you're gonna see your name and ID. Okay, so Kangen Beauty. So that's the new product you see. And you see all this campaign contest. On the left side, you see news and articles. Okay, please check daily. Okay, you see all this new information on the left. And on the right side, you see Enagic Store and DSS, DGS, and all this here. And most important thing is ACH bank accounts because we pay in a direct deposit now. So please make sure you put your ACH information here. If you have multiple accounts, you need to log in for each account to put the ACH bank information. Okay, so please don't forget this because we don't send checks anymore. Okay, now I'm going to explain the Enagic online store right here. Click and goes to product introduction to a new prospects. Okay, and you see buying products for yourself. And another thing is you can create and send a QR code to a new prospects. Okay, first I'm going to explain this product introduction to a new prospects. Okay, so please note, this is in red. Why? Because it's very important. So please make sure the enroller log into the distributor support portal. Okay, if you have enroller and a sponsor, they're different. The enroller needs to log into the distributor support portal and then send an introduction email. Okay, so click here. Okay, and then you see the enroller, distributor. Please make sure these are correct. And it's USA is already selected. And then you can put your prospect's first name. I'm going to put here, last name, then email address. Right? Okay, and you can select the product what the prospect is interested in. So let's say your prospect is interested in the Anespa DX, and then this is important. Okay, if you know your rank, line rank, you can choose 1A to 6A. But if you are not sure, you can select the highest rank. Okay, to avoid any mistakes. Because if you make mistakes about this ID numbers or your rank, we cannot correct. So please double check, triple check. Okay, so there's no mistake. If you want, you can put a note right here at the message and proceed. Okay, confirm your email details. Everything is correct. Again, check everything. Okay, everything is correct. So when you click this send email, your prospects will receive an email and they can order online. Or if you are with your prospects, you can right here select copy. It's copied and go to a different browser and paste. Then it goes to this screen. Okay, USA and the machine is Anespa DX. Okay, it's pretty easy and proceed. Okay, and you see Anespa, beautiful Anespa, and right here. If you your prospects have 2 cars, you can click here, and you're gonna see the instructions, so you can read through. Okay, and full payment is right here, and click here for more payment option. If your prospects want to use Enagic's payments, they can select one of these. But I'm gonna select full payments and add to cart. This is easy so far. If you want to update the shopping cart, you can click here. But I know what I want, and I want Anespa. Proceed to checkout. Okay, and for new customers create an account right here on the right side. Okay, I want to be a distributor, so register as a distributor. You can have up to 6 distributor accounts. So this is my second thing I can do, or, as a distributor. Okay, I'm gonna use my name. It's a personal account. Or if you have you want to register under your company name, you can select corporate accounts. Now it's my birthday. Okay, I'm gonna put, this is not my birthday, but July 1st, 2000. Gender, female. Okay, so driver's license number. I have a driver's license number, so I'm gonna put, this is not my driver's license, but I'm gonna put it here in New York. I live in New York. If you, I had somebody asked me yesterday, if somebody doesn't have a U.S. driver's license, what can they use? Right here, state issued license, like state ID or passport that they can put right here. Okay, social security number, or if it's a company tax ID right here at the section, and click right here, policy and procedures. Okay, we have how many pages? 31 pages. Please read through. Okay, and then after the prospect read this, select this box and first name. That's the name, phone number. That's my office number, by the way. And address, my office address. I just use it to just practice. Astoria, New York. Okay, zip code. It's okay, USA. Okay, it's easy, right? So the mailing address right here, I just input in the system, an online store, and a W-9 form. The mailing address on W-9 form should match what I typed. Okay, so I'm just gonna copy from mailing address information, so I don't have to type in again. Okay, and I'm gonna use my name. Okay, I'm gonna select individual. Okay, if you have a company, you want to register under your company, you can select one of these. Okay, corporation, LLC. You can select one of these. Okay, the address is correct. And next, you can read through Part 2 certification. After you read, select this box, and you can preview the W-9 form right here, PDF. Okay, I'll just click here. This might take long. Oh, it's quick. Then you see the W-9 form. Okay, you just did online. Okay, next, email address. That's my email address, password. Same password twice. Okay, and you can read these sections right here, and then create an account. And double check everything is correct. Okay. And I'll take the suggested address to make sure the address is correct. Okay, now this is my mailing address, and I want to receive my products to this address, then I can leave it. Or if I want to request to ship it to a different address, you can type in here. Okay. Okay, so it's $30 for the shipping. Next. Okay, so if you have you want to register under your company, you can upload the documents here, or you see all this, that you can upload here, so you don't have to send it to COD by email. You can upload on the websites. Okay, so I'm going to select, I want to pay by my credit card. Okay, then, okay, this is my billing address. If you have a different billing address, you can change it, okay? Please make sure this is correct. And you can put your credit card information here. Okay, and click this one. Select this checkbox to accept terms and conditions and return policy. Okay, please read both. I'm just going to click the return policy and it looks. Okay, please read everything. Okay, terms and condition, click and it's going to pop up. After you read, select this box. And then finally, you can place order. Okay, it's pretty easy. So, next, I'm going to return this. Okay, so I finished the introduction to a new prospects, send an introduction email, and next is a buying products for yourself. So this is the self-purchase orders. Okay, please make sure your ID, if you have multiple IDs, you can select one of the IDs, and this ID will be your sponsor. Okay, I only have one ID. Okay, and I'm gonna leave as highest rank, or if you know your line rank, you can choose. If you're gonna be 4A with this order, you can put 4A, or if you are not sure, please don't select. Or you can call your local office and then make sure your rank, or this is the safest way to do it, highest rank. Okay, please do not select 6A if you're not 6A yet. When you are 6A, please select, but for now, I'm gonna leave it as highest rank and self-purchase orders. Okay, so we put a note right here. Please make sure your ID number and line rank are correct. Why? Because after you select, we cannot make any changes, okay? So please make sure, double check, everything is correct. And self-purchase orders. Okay, so I'm the buyer because it's a self-purchase. I'm the enroller and a sponsor. Highest rank to be safe. And this is my email address. Then go to Enagic store. Okay. Then it goes to, you can see all these products right here. Then you can select what you're going to purchase. Okay. I'm going to select the Kangen Beauty Sigma. Okay, so again, if you want to use 2 cards, you can select here and you're going to see the instructions. Okay, this is the 4 payments. And if I want to use Enagic payments, I can select here. Okay, that's the options. I'm going to select 4 payments and add 2 card. You're going to see here, the warning, the request quantity exceeds the maximum quantity allowed in shopping cart. Because I already have one, that's why I cannot add another products. Okay, because for now, we can only take 1 order each time. So I'm gonna clear this. In the future, we might be able to take 3 orders at the same time, but for now, we only take 1 order at the same time. Okay, so I'll add 2 carts. Okay, so everything is good. If you want to update shopping cart, you can click here. But I want this product. Everything is good, and proceed to checkout. Okay, so checking this is the shipping address, or if you want to change your shipping address, you can type in here. Okay, so everything is good right here. Then next, I'll take the suggested address to make sure my address is correct. Oh. Okay. Then I'm gonna select this time. Okay, I'm gonna select ACH payments. Okay, everything is good. Okay, you can select how to use for ACH payments. Okay, this is your checking account information. Click here to view the ACH processing manual. Okay, so that's the new option we have. You can select how does it work. Okay, so you can read through, but this one, okay. So after you click the place order, then this screen pops up. Then you can put the ACH information here. So you can use your checking account to make payments. Okay, and then again, select this link, and then you see terms and conditions and return policy. Okay, you can click and read. Okay, please make sure you read it. Again, it's return policy. Read the return policy, and after you read it, go back and select this box and place order. This is easy, right? Okay, I'm going back. Okay, the next one. Oh, before that, let me see. I'm going to. Okay, I don't know if I see. Do you see? No, it doesn't show. Okay, anyway. So when you want to order multiple products at the okay, after you order one and you want to order another one, then you can click this link to order additional products. Please log into your distributor support portal with your client ID and password. Okay, then you can order one by one. Okay, next is the QR code. Right here on the bottom, you can select your ID. This will be your sponsor ID. So if you have multiple accounts, you can select one of your IDs. But I only have one, so I'm gonna select this ID and issue QR code. Okay, so you can download it and send a QR code to your prospects, and your prospects can scan this QR code. Okay. Okay. And I wanted to show you on the YouTube. Okay, I'm gonna check. Okay, so you can go to Enagic YouTube and you can see all this okay, and then you're gonna see the tutorials. Oh, sorry, I don't see right now. Enagic store right here. Okay, and then you see the Enagic distributor tutorial. And you can watch the tutorial on YouTube.
With the Enagic
Okay.
app, accessing everything in
Yeah, and you can watch like 3, YouTubes right here. Then another thing that I want to show you is this. Oh, this one. Okay, so let me see. Okay, you see my screen. Okay, so we started from this Monday, and we are gonna have 2 sessions every day until tomorrow. So today I'm doing the session 1. It's 1 p.m. Eastern time. These are the time, different time zone. And we are gonna have another session 2 at this time. So Eastern time is 5 p.m. Central time is 4 p.m. Pacific time 2 p.m. and 11 a.m. in Hawaii. Okay, we have another session today until tomorrow. So please share this information with your team so they can join the Zoom meeting. Okay, today and tomorrow. Okay, so important updates. So I want to explain why we are doing the Zoom Meet training every day this week. So effective August 1st, 2026, okay, it's soon, manual paper applications will no longer be accepted for processing in the USA. All applications must be submitted through the Enagic online store, EOS. Any paper application sent to GOC will be returned, unprocessed, and the applicant and sponsor will be advised to submit the order through EOS instead. Okay, so why we are doing this? Okay, seamless ordering. Place your order instantly through the EOS, Enagic Online Store. Okay, faster fulfillment, instant payments. Processing allows your order to move into fulfillment without delay. Greater accuracy. Eliminates handwritten order errors for a smoother purchasing experience. Okay, on-time commission processing. Order processed instantly through EOS, ensure timely commission payments. Okay, so we have benefits to change it to 100% to Enagic Online Store. Okay, but we have exceptions. We are still working on the improvements, but these are the exceptions. So tax exempt customers, e-point donation, WA bank customers, Tokuei cancellation requests, orders with non-USA billing, and or shipping addresses, and Puerto Rico and US Virgin Islands as well. Please send the orders to GOC. These are the exceptions, okay? Other than that, we only take online orders. Okay, so here is the contact. If you have any questions, you can email your local office. Okay, here is the email addresses.